will show you how to use this quarantine facility database. This is totally free. I will attach on this video description. So let's start. First, just click add new entry, then write the name, then first the day 19/12/1976. Automatically it will calculate your age, then gender. Example, your quarantine date is started today, then let's say we'll put 14 days. Automatically it will calculate the completion date, so it will complete on July 18. Then say PUM, or you can choose any. Then contact details, so I will put my email or mobile number, you can put here. Then place of origin, so place A, then permanent, Antipolo, so we count and sort. Then of course we did the vital sign. If you have nurse attendings 120/80, HG, then oxygen C97. This is just only a 95, 27. This is just only a here facility name. You can add by clicking this view. You can click here and type new, or you can modify also. Just use this navigation. Since I have already here, so I will choose this Marihatag Tree Park. Then you can attach, just double click this one. You can attach any documents here. So you can, this is optional, you can attach it one. Then here, details. Sample only. You can put any details. Then of course, record by, then save. Then if you will close, automatically it will give you the list. Then you can modify. Let's say you can choose look PUM 1, say PUI, then you can save, then close. So automatically it's PUI. Then if you will add another entry here, say my wife, save. Look, now there is a list. So let's say we have 100 or 300 lists, so you can search by name. Just type Ray, automatically it will show Ray. Then you can edit, and also you can type also Juliet, look, and you can edit. So as you can see here, there is a statistic summary. This is a two major status, which is PUM and PUI. Here, statistic summary showing PUM, person under monitoring. You can view the report. View list, then there is a list. You can print or you can save by PDF. Here, replace, automatically it will save PDF. So this is it, this one. Or you can print also directly. Here also, here you can view the list, and of course same process here. Since only 2 entries here, total registered, you can view all my name, my wife, then the status. So this is it. This is how to use this database. Don't forget to like and subscribe, Kamayo ako. So this is free. Again, I will attach on this description. And you can back up your database. Back up. And then, how to close this database? Just click this one. And exit database. This is it. Thank you. And God bless.